Put a supermassive black hole in the asteroid belt. Alright, let's put Sagittarius A, the supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy, right in the asteroid belt. This black hole has 4.3 million times our sun's mass. Right now, it sits 26,000 light-years away at our galaxy's center. With something this massive in our solar system, planets would need to move tens of thousands of kilometers per second to maintain orbit. That's about 1,000 times faster than Earth moves now. Nothing has that speed, so everything falls straight in. Tidal forces rip planets apart before they even reach the black hole. The gravity pulls so much harder on the near side than the far side that planets literally get torn to pieces. The outer planets last a few days because they're farther away. But within a month, everything gets consumed. Planets, moons, the sun, even the Voyager probes in interstellar space. Sagittarius A leaves nothing behind.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.